If you have a Verizon cell phone and some of your calls or all of your calls are going to voicemail, stay tuned. I might have a solution for you. Hello, I'm Derek, and welcome to Hindsight 101, where you're learning about things that will help you in everyday life. Now, I have to say again, this is for Verizon cell phones because that's what I personally have, so I can't speak to the other carriers. But my issue was that over the past year, some of my calls were going to voicemail, and I just thought, oh, it could be I had Do Not Disturb on, or I was in poor cell phone coverage, something like that, and I just kind of let it go. But recently, all my calls were going to voicemail, and I couldn't explain why. And before I called Verizon support, I wanted to make sure I narrowed it down so they didn't have me jumping through hoops, trying all this other crazy stuff that was pointless and just giving me the runaround. So I went on forums, did a couple of searches for a couple of days, and I finally found something that actually made sense. It's HD voice, and that's one of the options you have if you go into your online account. Side note, if you've never gone into your online account and see all the options that are available to you, either paid or free, you should check it out. You'll actually learn quite a bit. But getting back to the topic, so I remembered seeing HD voice perusing around in my account. So what I did was I actually tested it out. I turned off HD voice to see if this would fix the problem. And yes, it did fix my problem. All my calls were coming through now as they were before this issue even happened. The problem is when you turn off HD voice, the sound quality is horrible. It's way back like if you had a 90s cell phone and it was just, that's robotic, just horrible clarity. What they do is they take your 4G and the cellular and put it together to give it that high quality. So it's kind of like, you know, when you have GPS and Wi-Fi on your phone and they put those together to give you a better location accuracy. Well, that's kind of what they do with your voice calls, because 4G is more data, and then the cellular part of it is for your voice, and they combine those two to give you a better voice quality, hence the HD. So once I discovered that, and I knew that was my problem, I knew what I could go to Verizon support. So I gave them a call, told them what was going on, and the woman was like, oh, well, you have HD voice blocked. I thought that was kind of odd. I don't know why it would be blocked. So she unblocked it, and everything was fine. Now, I did ask her, you know, what if this happens again? What do I explain to another representative? She was kind of vague and just tell them to unblock it. I was like, okay, why did this happen? Well, maybe you got a lot of spam calls that went to voicemail, and that made no sense. But, you know, I had to trust what she said. So it's been a couple weeks and nothing has happened. So I'm really happy about that. Now, if you want to know how to test this out yourself, stay tuned. If you know what to do, then by all means, thanks for watching. Take care. But if you want to know how to go into your account and test out HD voice, let's take a look at it. So first, what you want to do is log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you want to go to Apps and Add-ons, and then from there, Apps and Add-ons Overview. And then here you'll see all the different options that are available to you, but the first one is HD voice. So you click on that, and then I currently have it enabled, but you can remove it. You click on remove, and then you have to basically remove it, confirm it. I'm not going to do this since I've already tested out and it works on mine, but then it'll give you a confirmation that you've removed it, and you want to take about 15 minutes for it to actually kick in. And then if all your calls start coming through as normal, you just have horrible clarity, then you know it's HD voice. There could be, like I said, other options. Say you have Do Not Disturb on, you're blocking the number, or you're in a bad cell phone coverage. But this, after trying all those, this was my issue. So I hope this helps. And if you like what you saw and you want to support the channel, check out some of my other videos. Take care.